Hello everyone, I would like to welcome you to the Computer Application course Forestry 232, Section 921. I'm your instructor. My name is Shubarna Ahmed. I am a lecturer in the Forest Resources Management Department. I did my PhD in the Forest Resources Management in Forest Biometrics, and my background is applied statistics. So I will walk you through today the course outline and how you can join the lecture session. So let's go to the course page. On the course page, if you log in using your CWL login, then you will see that we have all the menus on the left hand side. So to join the session on 6 July at 2 p.m., you have to go to Collaborate Ultra. On Collaborate Ultra, you will see that I have listed the lecture and lab exercise session and the lecture and labs exercise session, which is actually on Monday from 4 to 6. So to join the session, the first class, you need to go to lecture and lab exercise session. So you will see that at 2 p.m. this session will be in a darker color, just like this one, compared to the other ones. That means that one is actually a live session. You can select, and then you will see that there is an option. It will say that join the session. Then you can join the session. For example, we have an open session. When any session will be on, then you can join the course room just by clicking on join. Then I will walk you through all the details in the course. So at 4 p.m. after the lecture session, so you will be working with us in an exercise session. So let's say 4 p.m. you will see that this session will be in a darker color, then you can join the session. I actually added 15 minutes extra so that if you want to join at an earlier time, let's say before 2 p.m. you want to join, and then you can go in there, you will see that it's available from 1:45 p.m. So all time I mentioned in here is actually Vancouver time, and it will be recorded, the session. So if you want to chat, or if you want to talk, if you want to show yourself, you have to be careful. If you don't want to show, or you don't want to be recorded on the session, then you can keep silent and just ask question via chat, or if you don't want to show your chat, then you can post your question on the discussion page. Again, welcome you all. See you all at 2 p.m. Vancouver time on Collaborate Ultra on this page. Thank you.